Sure is hot out here. No, I don't mind though. I'm just glad to be free. You know what I'm saying?
Hi everyone, welcome to Aqua Crystal. We're glad you joined us. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a three-step process. We're going to tell you about the company, we're going to do a tour of the factory, and then we're going to tell you what we need to go forward. Aqua Crystal is a company which has been running for the last decade in Zimbabwe, in Harare. We bottle water, we do 5-6 different units. We do 500 mils, we do a 1 liter, we do 750, we do 2 liter, we do a 5 liter. All in all, we do most of the small packaging of water for drinking water for the purposes of, I guess, households and for supermarket chains, for service stations, and for many others. Our water is treated using the reverse osmosis, which I will show you later, but we welcome you. This is our brands. These are some of the waters that we do on this side of me and on this side of me. Let's move forward. Thank you. At this company, we are also involved in plastics. What we do is that to bottle our water, we make our own plastic bottles. We buy preforms. We buy 28mm preforms all the way up to 98mm preforms, which we used to make, like I said, the 500-liter bottle and the 5-liter bottle. We have 4 compressor machines and we have 4 double cavity machines that make bottles. And those machines can make, like I said, 500, 750, 1 liter, 2 liter and 5 liter. However, we also have one machine, which is our price machine that we own, which makes 5-liter bottles, and it makes 1,500-liter bottles an hour. And Albert, I'll ask you to come forward so that I can show you this machine. This machine is the machine we're talking about. It actually is yet to be commissioned, and yet this machine will change the signature of this company. It will make 1,500 bottles, in which case, for 5 liters, not only are we able to make our own water for 5 liters using our own bottles, but we are able to actually sell bottles to different companies that use 5 liters. For example, for cooking oil or for various other businesses. So the capacity in this company is one of the things that we keep talking about. We have plenty capacity, and what we don't need is money for capex. This is the machine, that's the cooling tower, this is the compressor for the 5-liter machines.
We just close up. I'm taking
Now we find ourselves in the water processing plant. Like I said, we use a reverse osmosis machine to purify the water. We get water from the local municipality, which comes in, and as it comes in, it goes through 7 different stages of purification. Part of that purification is that it goes through membranes, which create a vacuum and drop all the metals that are in the water. So any bacteria that's in the water, any metal that's in the water, go through those membranes and gets cleaned that way. We also pass through UV light, and the UV light also serves to just kill whatever bacteria is left in the water. This machine is 1,000 per hour liter machine. However, as I said, we still have no capacity. We have another machine out on this side. You can just focus on that machine. This machine does 5,000 liters per hour. So we could effectively do 5 times the amount of purification of water that we're doing now in future as we commit these machines. Once the water is stored in these tanks, we then use this bottling line to manually bottle the water, or the machine behind you, Albert, that does the automatic bottling of the water. Once the water is all bottled, we pack it, and that water is ready now to go to the market. In our business, we also have a department which is responsible for testing all the water that we make. We are part of the Standards Association of Zimbabwe, and we make sure that whatever water that we make, we can back it to be good, purified water that is safe to drink and healthy to drink. We have different machines, equipment that we use to check the pH of the water. We check that. We check water for any fecal matter. We check water for any too much lead or anything that will be dangerous to anybody that drinks that water. And we carry with us a SARS certificate that shows that our water is healthy and safe to drink. Our vision at Aqua Crystal is that we want to be the company that supplies people who don't have clean and healthy drinking water, especially in the rural areas. We want to make sure that we get that water to them within the next 2 years. We also want to be the biggest supplier of clean, healthy drinking water in the SADC region in the next 5 years. Lastly, we believe that we have to be consistent and we have to supply water to everybody who's looking for clean drinking water wherever they might want it in Zimbabwe. We are on our way to doing that, and we ask you to join us. Thank you. Thank you for spending time with us at Aqua Crystal. We hope you come back soon.